Angelica plays with cars. Today we have a Lamborghini LP610 in the color Verde Mantis.
I'm here with an LP610 and I'm going to tell you all about it. Some cars try to blend in. This car was designed to stop traffic. This is the Lamborghini Huracán LP610, and in this shade of Verde Mantis, it's not just a car, it's a neon statement. You guys know I love the vibe of this industrial backdrop. It's the perfect contrast to that insane green paint. But today, we're moving past the aesthetics. I want to talk about why this isn't just a poster car, but a masterclass in engineering. Let's talk about the name. LP stands for longitudinal posterior. The engine is mounted longitudinally behind the driver. 610 is horsepower, and 4 is that permanent all-wheel drive grip. But the real star? It's this 5.2-litre naturally aspirated V10. In a world full of turbos and batteries, this engine is a dying breed. No lag, no artificial noise, just a pure mechanical howl that screams all the way to 8,250 RPM. It's the kind of sound that makes the hair on your arms stand up. It's raw, it's visceral, and it's arguably the best sounding engine that Lamborghini has ever built.
So we can see how low this car goes. Literally just my hand. That is how low it is touching the ground.
Lamborghini is obsessed with something, and it's geometry. If we look closely, the entire car is built around hexagons. The vents, the stitching, the center of the steering wheel, it's all inspired by that crystalline structure of carbon atoms. Inside, it's a total fighter jet cockpit. There's no center infotainment screen here. Everything you need is right in front of you on this 12.3-inch TFT display. And that iconic red missile-style cover for the start button? It's not just for show. It's the daily reminder that you're about to launch something very fast.
All I can say by sitting in this car is you get the feeling of both opulence and cool. It very much is the definition of cool. And on a day like this when it's stunningly sunny, just perfect for a drive. I did speak to the owner and he said that you cannot drive this car at night. It does have a lift on it, so it does go higher than what it is, but he says if you take it on a night drive, you're essentially asking for it to be dead. So you do not drive this car at night. It's a daytime luxury.
Now that we've spoken about the tech, we have to take a minute to respect the stance. As I mentioned previously, this car is low. Like, you need to do half a squat just to get in low. With my small hands, I can literally touch the bottom of the car, simultaneously touching the ground. It's built for one thing: slicing through the air with as little resistance as possible. It's not a grocery getter, it's a precision instrument. Whether it's the Doppler Frisonic dual-clutch transmission that shifts like a lightning strike, or the way the Anima system lets you switch from a Strada Cruiser to a Corsa track weapon, the LP610 is a perfect blend of Audi-era reliability and that classic Italian theatricality. Is it the ultimate supercar though? Let me know in the comments what you think. But for me, in 2026, it's still one of the best experiences on the road. What is one detail of this car that gets you every single time? For me, at first glance, it's the colour. However, on a deeper level, after sitting with it, analysing it, it's the fact that in every potential orifice, they've somehow managed to put geometry in there. And for me, I love the art of details, even if they're not important or needed. So yeah, all around a very cool car. I did see a purple one the day before, and let's just say Lamborghini company knows how to do one thing, and that is stand out with a pop of colour. I equally wanted to take a minute to say thank you so much to all the new subscribers and people who have started supporting this page. Even though we're still at the very beginning of our journey here, it's so lovely and honestly such a compliment that so many of you want to follow along and support this page. So if you haven't already, please remember to subscribe, like and comment if you have anything to say, because we're hopefully going to grow this page into something truly spectacular. And for everyone else, I'll see you in the next one.